Let's get back over to Tracy now. A lot going on in the forecast. Tracy, bring us up to speed.
Oh, you got that right, Madison. We are still looking at a red flag warning. We're also watching what could be another red flag warning later on this weekend. And did I mention the cool down? You probably started to feel it already, right? Temperatures will continue to cool as we head into the weekend as well. So a number of different moving parts going on weather-wise, but I'll kind of make sure I break them all down for you. So let's start things out. Taking a look at our almanac. I like this one because temperatures cooled down again today and it felt nice. Normal daytime high 75. Today we hit 80. The record is 88. And as we move through the next couple of days, eventually we'll see highs in the 70s, which is actually more seasonal for this time of the year. The red flag warning is still in effect. Critical fire weather is still expected. The possibility for that coming into the forecast overnight tonight, well throughout early Friday. Eventually it will expire at 5 o'clock on Friday, but we do still have the opportunity for winds gusting up to around 45 miles per hour for all of those areas shaded in red. So weather headlines, red flag warning will expire later tomorrow. It is starting to feel like fall. The cooling trend, it will continue into our weekend and much of next week. And we're also watching a major wind event that is possible Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. So currently outside right now, open up the windows, let the cool air in. I got the lower 60s in the foothills. Talk about cold. It's freezing in Truckee at 32, 37 in South Lake Tahoe, 63 in Sacramento, 60 in Stockton, and 65 degrees in Modesto. Most locations still trending a little bit cooler versus the same time on yesterday. Currently winds still veering out of the north to northwest for many of our valley locations. They were a little breezy off and on today, but they should start to settle out during the day tomorrow. I'm showing you the futurecast because there's a minor system that kind of moves into the part of the western edge of the continental United States, and it will be giving us a small chance of maybe a passing shower Saturday into Sunday for the Sierra. But more importantly, that upper level trough will give us a very good opportunity for more fire weather because it will kick up the opportunity for strong winds. Take a look at this. Winds gusting up to 40 to 60 miles per hour. Some locations, some of those favorite canyons could be even higher than that. That could make this event the biggest wind event we have had so far this year. So that's a big deal. Again, we're going to be watching that over the course of the end of the week, heading into the weekend. And of course, we will always keep you abreast of what you need to know weather-wise. Here is a look at a photo of fall colors near Kirkwood, sent in by Stacy. Thank you, Stacy. That's a nice one. If you have a nice photo you'd like to share, you can always upload it to the ABC 10 app. So everything in the red shading, still in that red flag warning. Afternoon highs in the foothills in the mid-70s. So a beautiful fall day to end the work week. For Tahoe, over the course of the next 5 days, the 60s heading into the weekend, but the 40s by the time we hit next week. 61 for San Francisco, 70 in Oakland, and then you hit the valley floor and temperatures warm almost 10 degrees from Stockton to Patterson with that red flag warning still in effect. And take a look at Sacramento with 80 degrees and the upper 70s in Folsom. 10-day forecast, temperatures cooling down into the weekend. Again, watching what could be a significant wind event Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday with that cooler air. And then temperatures still rounding out to near seasonal highs, at least for the middle toward the end of next week. And that's a look at your weather forecast.